Guys, ready to make some money? Let's get started. What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? It's Tuesday. Yesterday was rough. Had no idea yesterday I was trading right after that pump from the Twitter announcement. Stocks go crazy. Good morning, Beast Mode family. So, looks like I might need to see. This is stocks. Normally, I don't trade fundamentals or anything like that, but I cannot deny that hype, especially hype around. What up, Chris? Especially hype around Elon. It is almost scary how much clout this man has. It's scary that one man has so much weight over any asset, man. If Elon tweeted right now that he bought fucking name a coin, insert shit coin here, that shit will go to the fucking moon, man. One man has that much power over the market. It's kind of scary. Not even gonna lie. It's kind of scary. But what's up, Rashid? My brothers are here this morning, and we are about to make some damn money. But like I was saying, it is crazy that Elon Musk has that much weight over the entire market, man. It's crazy to me. Some would deny it, but I say no. He calls out anything, and money would just start flooding in. Anyways, let me cut this music down and let's get started with this pre-market analysis. We have about 28 minutes until market opens, and yeah. So all of this right here was the Twitter announcement. Had no clue yesterday. It was fucking wild. We did get wrecked during that, but off stream, I was able to bring it back. I was, and turned it into a positive day. Plus 500. If you haven't checked it out, check out part 2 of yesterday's stream. Little 2-minute video, show you what level I took and where I took profit at. So starting on this 4 hour here. Let's go ahead and adjust this trend line to the hard close that it belongs to now. It did what it was supposed to do yesterday, provide some resistance. But you forget TA, and yeah, take a slice of your capital and you gamble. It's worth it. Right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, somebody in our group needs to be be friends with him, man. So he can hit y'all with a quick text message. Hey, I'm about to announce that I'm buying I'm buying bullshit coin or bullshit asset. So we can all be prepared. We need some good friends like that, man. We need some friends like that in the beast mode community. Anyways, all right. So this point of interest that we marked out yesterday did provide quite a few trades, but more or less it was after hours, pushing right into the last minute of the day. We seen a nice little push into the OB yesterday, or this point of interest, and we ultimately came up and hit that 5 minute that we had marked out that we were eyeing, which ultimately brought us above all this liquidity that resided here. And we hit that and we rejected. But all this took place during after hours. I don't really trade after hours. So Elon signals, yes. Facts. Somebody get some Elon signals inside beast mode trades, man. We'll be wealthy by the end of the year. Excuse me. All right. Anything on the 4 hour here worth noting? Nope. We'll get rid of these levels here. No longer needed these. Although if you had those marked yesterday and you were trading after hours or even going into an hour prior to after hours, those all offered some nice trades, some nice scalps. This 5 minute being the best. I'll leave that up for now. We'll dissect that a little bit. This right here is definitely not the retracement that we would have liked to seen on NAS. Still just been pumping like crazy. And this wasn't even proper sell side liquidity. That was just for the local range that we were trading in yesterday morning. I'll go ahead and remove that. We could get rid of what I get rid of. We'll just hide these levels here. Set an alert here. Hide those levels. Although I'll probably be adding to those levels here in a little bit. Definitely looking at the 4 hour here. A retracement down to here would be nice. What the hell? Yeah, I'm just want to be 22 again. I don't. I do and I don't. I don't want to be young again, man. I had my fun. Let's see. What do we see here, man? Anything showing its face to us on the 4 hour? We'll probably cycle back to it here in a little bit. Let me go to this daily and see how daily trend is still intact. Still intact right now. Let's drop down to the hourly. This right here is yesterday's pump. Let me mark this real quick. The 5 minute below. Let's see what else we got in here on the hourly.
Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by. And you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home. And I'm about to have a child, it's gonna be worthwhile. It's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights
No matter how you look at it, this entire zone right here seems to be some area of interest here. Resistance, support, can make up resistance. Ran right through it. Anyways, not that important. I was just looking at some, looking on the left a little bit to see if we could get any more clues. Let me turn this down a little bit. What do we have on the hourly? Anything up here in the immediate? Nope. We don't have anything there. Don't forget, we still have a lot of areas, a lot of levels up here that we have marked out. There's still valid areas. We're just working on the local stuff now. We're going to put this inside the 14.7K levels here. Okay. What we have down here. Look at this one more time. 618, 702. See what happens if we take it from the actual pump. 886 in there. So the correlation between the tech sector, any pumps like that or any news like that inside of the tech sector is usually going to reflect inside of the NASDAQ. Cause you never turn your back even when it got spooky. Know for a fact you ain't cut me no slack. You will rewind time, yeah, like it was a movie. But it's real life and we gotta look ahead. Glad you alive, I don't gotta say you dead. Only the strong survive, it's a reason you here. Cheers to the next. Looks like that's like equilibrium on the OV here. Let's take a look. Yeah, dead on for the equilibrium of that OV. Nothing here on the 15. Got some levels above on the 15. We can remove this 5, but I want to come back over here. That's what I would have classified as that moment of polarity. Just 5 minute here. And we'll go over that on future videos. Nothing on live. We'll just put together a video or something and try to go over moments of polarity and how to identify those. Hope you guys enjoyed the playlist today. This playlist has been curated by my brother Sammy. He said it's going to get a lot better too. So look at this area down here. I'm going to look at this area right here. Let's see, 14.7K. So yeah, I already got that marked out. And really, Look at this volume here. What's that marked on the hourly? Oh, that was a 15. So we do have those areas marked down here. It's all this price action right here. It's just crazy to me right here. This choppy shit right here happened after hours. Yesterday, market open, pumped right up. Twitter announcement. It's a nice little pump up here. So I'm definitely interested in looking down here. I already have some levels down here. But I kind of want to include this down here inside of that point of interest. Just because I mean, that fair value gap was touched to the dollar. Fair value gap here. A whole lot of imbalances here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to monitor this. I'm unsure what to do here with that. I don't know if I should include that down here like this. To me, it kind of looks like I should, honestly. I feel like I should. We'll see. I'm not sure we're going to get down that low anyways. Let's mark this 5 inside of this area here. Let's mark this 5. 14,996 scalp long. Let's see. 14,996. 14,996. 14,996 scalp long. Okay, we're gonna mark this level as a Chris level. Right here. Chris level. Crazy Chris signal long. Hey. Okay. Do not underestimate Crazy Chris signals. He is definitely a sniper. All right, let's see why he marked that level. Let's see what we have here on the lower time frames. I can see. Okay, man. Okay. Come and take all the liquidity from this resting below from here. 30-second trade. Yeah, I'm good for those, huh? I'm good for those little 30-second trades, right? We got 14 minutes, so I need to get a move on it. Let me look down the side of this this area here for this right here. Should belong in there with it. It's going to be a lot of liquidity, in my opinion, resting down below this particular OB here. If you Let's break it down a little bit more on the 5. Let's go to the 15. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of liquidity resting below here. That's why this 5 minute right here looks kind of juicy to me. Plus we have that 4-hour uptrend. Okay. Trying to get my mind cleared out right now. Get your head in the game. Let's look above us real quick. We haven't done anything above. Let's get rid of this volume here. These 2 levels here, kind of interesting to me. More or less like this. Stretch like that. These 2 areas are kind of interesting to me. Back to the 15. Let's mark this area here. 15-minute hold here. Let's go to the wick on that. Plus we got a nice little fair value gap right here between these 2 areas here. That's on the 15-minute. Let's look on the hourly, see if that exists on the hourly. Hourly would be here. So we got 9 minutes. That light is busting my eye. I can hardly even see inside of on that screen. We even got that's pretty close. 5 minute here. So my question is, are we going to continue to pump up? Let's look at this. So the way I got to approach this is, are we going to continue to pump up and try to take these highs? Or we're going to come down for a retracement? Let's look at this one more time. Let's do it from the pump here. Let's do it from this low here. This low here. And this low here. We take it from this pump here. Crazy Chris's long signal will fall right inside of golden pocket here. Yeah, I'm gonna watch for a swing of these highs here on market open. Swing of these highs here, and if we don't break through that with volume, if we just see a nice little peek through, definitely looking at a retracement, at least back down to Chris's level. I would like to see lower. I would like to see the start of this entire pulsar move, filling all those imbalances here. May not be a straight drop, but I'm thinking at a minimum we should get down there, hit this somewhere inside of the OB, and obviously I'm gonna be waiting today. I won't be as aggressive. I might be waiting for a bounce and then some kind of confirmation off of maybe a whole level or a small time frame inside order block, fair value gap, something of that nature. But let's see what the percentage is on that. From here, shouldn't be too much. Yeah, about a 1.3%. So yeah, that is kind of a lot of movement there. Appreciate it, man. How do you say that? Saham? Damn, am I saying? I know I'm butchering your name. Sorry about that, man. I'm horrible at names. Saham. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm sorry, man, but thanks. And good luck to you too if you're trading it today. Man, good luck. Proper risk management. Anybody else watching, do not copy trade me. You will get wrecked. I promise. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, I'm looking for that push up on the initial. If we push up over this with volume and then we could just be looking for a continuation up to at least take these highs here. There should be some resistance. I'm looking at least some resistance here, taking these highs. So that 15 minutes, while I have this 15-minute mark here, which would be a nice level to see us take the highs here, take that liquidity, hit that 15-minute, come down. That's something I'll be looking at if we continue up with some volume. But we need to go up on some pretty significant volume, in my opinion, to take whatever's resting up here. So yeah, so I'm looking at open, maybe a peak above these highs. If it's not a lot of volume to back that move up, I'm going to look at that as a liquidity grab, and we'll be looking for lower. At a minimum, we'll look at this this golden pocket, Chris's level, 2-minute time frame here. And down in this area right here, I'm very interested, even though we have a lot going on in here that'll be hard to trade from. There's a lot of weird movement in there inside of that that little bit of PA here, with all this after hour movement here prior to that big pump up yesterday. But I'm sure there's some levels in here that could be traded from. But if I were to take something in here, especially if I was being a little aggressive, if I was to put a limit order in here, my stop loss would be below this 5-minute hold here. So something down here, just below this swing here. And that's just to give it a little wiggle room. So that being said, I wouldn't take anything above equilibrium. Since I know my stop loss, I would like my stop loss to be down here. I will be looking more into the discounted area, anything below this 618 level here. So even then, that's a pretty wide stop. So that's why I said earlier, I'll be more interested if the price came down, hit a level, came back up, and we created some kind of gap, hold level or inside order block. That's really what I would look for to take a trade off of this area here. But that's if we even get down there. That's still 1.5% or 1.3%. So we might get it today. We'll see. These type of imbalances, these inefficiencies in the market likes to correct those at some point. And today might be that day. So that's our levels. That's our plan for today. That's what we'll be monitoring. Got any questions? Let me know. It's 9:27. We got 3 minutes until the market opens. We're gonna go ahead and switch screens here. We're gonna get over here into our trading mindset. Look at Bitcoin real quick. See what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's looking a little bit better. It's a nice little range. The boys in beast mode trades are killing this. They're killing this entire range right here. Man, I feel like I'm cheating on Bitcoin. I haven't traded my baby in a long time. I've been on other things. Let's get back over here real quick. Let's look at some of this volume for some imbalances above and below the immediate. Straight away, I see an imbalance right here. A little small one, but an imbalance nonetheless. What's that area? Is that 133? Let's go back over here and check out this up here. Okay, it's above there. Looking at 166 area. $166. That's this entire area right here. Yeah, this aftermarket, these aftermarket volume looks sick, man. It's horrible. Really nothing to go off of there for imbalances. Okay, let's watch. Market's about to open in 1 minute. We already got some volume building up down here on the bottom of this candle. Let's get over here to trading view real quick. Drop this to a 5-minute time frame. Over here. Market is open. Let's watch it here. See what we got. Drop this on a 2-minute real quick. Okay, poke those highs. Had a little bit of volume come in, but all in all, it's looking kind of neutral. This particular candle is looking kind of neutral. No clear sign of what direction we're going to yet. I'm not seeing anything forming as far as any decent hold levels or gaps or fair value gaps or anything like that. Okay, nice little push up. Hit this hold level here. Might take this liquidity up here. This is like a nice little area to take some liquidity. We'll watch that. But ultimately, we want to see a push up into the 66 area, 166-ish area. Continue monitoring. Hit this whole level. Since we hit this whole level, I'm going to see a nice little push up into this. Possibly taking liquidity all the way over here. Okay. Possibly take a long scalp here if we come back down. Pop the lows. Came up, popped the high. Okay. There's an area we could take a long from possibly. Let's watch. doing some shaking out right now. We come back up and we close above this. Potential long scalp there. It's pretty typical. We're in a little bit of drawdown right now. We'll exit this one quickly if we start to lose it. Keep everything tight. Keep it up here. A little bit of drawdown. Okay, now we're pushing up. Pushing up now. I'm gonna exit now at 150. So I made 185 for today already. That's a little risky trade. But that's typical pattern on startup. I would have liked to have taken it back up here to this liquidity up here at the top, but I'm looking at this volume over here on the side. And the volume still looking kind of undecisive. And so is CVD. We don't have any clear direction on CVD, but yeah, that's a typical pattern that you see at market open. Usually, like yesterday, I'll give you a prime example on yesterday on the 2-minute time frame. We'll get over to yesterday's open for that big ass pump. See this pattern right here? See it come up, came in, pushed up high, pushed low, came down, gave you another entry right here on this 2-minute here. And we continued up. It's more prevalent on the 1 minute though. Let's look at that 1 minute level. Where was that 1 minute level? Right here. Boom. Came down, pushed up, came down, hit that 1 minute, came pushed up, gave you another opportunity to enter here, and then after that, it just ripped on us. So we just scalped 185 for today, and now we're waiting for another move, pushing down. There goes the direction. There goes some volume coming in now. Glad we exited when we did. Okay. Let's look at trading view real quick. Okay. Came back. We actually swung some lows here, but we didn't take this low here. I wouldn't imagine there was a whole lot sitting there from aftermarket hours. But let's see here. So again, we're up 185 on the day. Normally I don't trade the open. Normally I just sit and watch this shakeout. I seen an opportunity. I took it. A little risky, but we went for it. And ultimately it worked out for us. What's this area right here? 154. Is that what I have marked out here? Yeah, the 150 area here. Yeah, this is right here. This is chopping people up, man. Lower time frames. Looks horrible. Let's look at it on the 1 minute. If we take this low, then we could say on the 1 minute on super micro, we're making lower lows and lower highs. It's looking like exactly what we're doing here. Let's look here. Let's enable this real quick. Not a whole lot of short volume coming in comparison to the other two candles. I do want to take a look at this TPO chart real quick. See if we have anything here below us. Man, this thing is spazzing right now. Okay, there we go. 915. What was that area? We have some single prints here. That's crazy. So yeah, Chris, the start of your 2 minute is the top of the single print. 14. Got a little block of single prints here. Plus 15,000 psych level. Okay. So we did take that low on the 1 minute here. So we're making lower lows and lower highs. Safe to say that we might be trying to break down some more here. Let's keep them at 5. Take this low here. There's some volume here. Yeah. Single print start, CC, and 2 minute hold. That's some confluence for your ass, man. Might end up being longer than a 30-second trade, huh? Let's get back on the 2 minute time frame here. Not to mention yesterday's point of control, right? So yesterday's volume point of control too. So let's look at that again. See? And time point of control. Look at that. Kind of stacking up on that 2 minute volume and time point of control from yesterday's session. Let's mark this like this. 9:30. Listen, this is so far off over here. On a Wanda. So far off. Did we take that low? No, we didn't. Oh yeah, not yesterday's point of control. Looks like it was the day before, maybe. What the hell? I'm gonna look at this TPO again. Something's off about this TPO. What's this time here? Oh, that's why, because I was looking at the sessions from I'm a retard. 31st. It's 31st to Friday? Friday? Was that last Friday? Friday or Thursday? I was shitting on TradingView earlier. Talking about way off. Activity's looking good. Still looking bearish, so no divergences. Still haven't taken this low here. Do you think we just took those lows here? We did. All right, at it. There we go. Broke those lows. Okay, just took those lows. Looking like it wants to go lower, if you ask me. If we push back up here into point of control, I might short it. Which doesn't look like we're going to. Oh shit. Still struggling in this little area here. little 1 minute here. I'm gonna mark out. We already hit that 1 minute here. I'm not going to take this level. I just wanted to mark it out. $15.86. I'm going to scalp here. If we reach it. It's gone. I don't think it's going to come up and grab me. Nope. Might get filled here. Okay, I'm filled. What can I do? There's a lot of long volume coming in here. Give it a little more wiggle room. New right now. Not right now is what you meant? Maybe I did jump the gun. Oh, let's see if I get my PP slap here, man. Is it gonna get slapped? Let's see. Yeah, looks like it wants to. What you mean not right now, bro? It's too late though. We're already in. We in like Flynn, man. We're in there like swimwear. We're in there like booty hair. What? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Push, push, push. Push it, baby. Push it. I appreciate you boys jumping in here and helping my short. Much obliged. Much obliged. We up 600 right now. 700. 800. We up. We up 900. Gonna exit if up 1,000, 1,100. Let's push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Oh, exit. Okay, we are done for the day. Basically, we're up 1,200. We're up 1,265 on the day. That came really close to my stop loss. Very close to my stop loss. And I exited right here at the bottom where we're starting to bounce from a little bit, but I think we are going to end up going lower. Yeah, I'm out now, bro. I'm out now for sure. Yeah, I'm out of there. But yeah, we're still watching Chris's level. Look, we're pushing down. We could go in here with a tighter stop loss. Appreciate it, brothers. I'm going to watch Chris's level here. This is a nice level, by the way. CC. Single print, start of single print. And a nice 2-minute hold. It also gives price action the opportunity to take out some stops here. So let's see. We're approaching now. We're at the 15. Oh, alert just went off. Chris signal. Oh, and 4-hour uptrend too. That was another confluence here. 15,000 psych level. Do we take it? Do we take it? Do we take it? Okay, we're at the level now. Let's see. Nonetheless, it's a nice level. Plenty of confluences stacked. We might push below that low here. It's good. Let's drop down to the 2 minute here. Let's watch it. The 2 minute. Okay, here's the low here. Let's watch it from there to there. Okay. What do we think? What do we think? We're inside that single print block right now. I would argue that it's on the low time frame. Might be getting accepted here. Let's see. Let's get over here to the TPO chart real quick. See what's going on the charts. Okay, we're inside here, trying to get acceptance. Bottom of the order block is, of the single print block is 1940. I hate that every time I click on this fucking thing, it every time I click on this screen, it tries to put an order in. Okay, we're now just dip below that low on that 2 minute. Let's see how to react here. How do we react here? Let's watch reaction on here. Okay, no, still some more shorts coming in. Definitely would have been cool to stay in that short earlier. I'm glad I got out when I did though. We're up 1,200 on the day. Really can't ask for more. I mean, you could, but you'd just be a greedy fucker. 5 minute here. Let's see. Okay. How much more time do we have on this 4-hour candle? Almost 3 hours. Let's see. So we took the low down here. On that 2 minute hold, we took that low. Doing a little bounce here after taking that low. Look at all these shorts piling in up here on the bottom. That's a lot of shorts piling in on the bottom right here. They're trying to eat up those longs coming in. Nah. Not at all. We're still at your level. It's just not that sniper entry, but we're still at your level. That little bit of price action that was right here in the middle on that 2 minute time frame is what's holding us up right now. So let's look inside that single print block. What did we say? 40? Bottom of that single print block is 44. Look at all the volume that's coming in right here. So I would argue that we are getting acceptance inside this order block, though. We have been chilling out inside of there for a minute. Not order block, but single print block. Single prints. A lot of shorts coming in here. This might be retail getting in too late. Or it could be algo trying to push price down and eat up those longs. It's trying to long down here on the bottom. I personally don't want to be a part of that battle, so I'm going to sit it out and wait. But we are definitely looking down here inside this nice little area of interest. Okay, push back up. CVD is kind of dying here. It's neutral right now. A little more shorts coming in than longs. If you guys are here with me, if you don't mind hitting that like button, I would enjoy. Subscribe as well. But more importantly, if you want to join our community on Discord, link is down in the description. We're not trying to sell anything by no means. We're just a community of like-minded people who try to combine our thoughts and our experiences and knowledge to make each other better. And our meme game is pretty tough too. We're pretty good on the memes. I don't think Elon got anything on us with the meme game. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please click that link down below, and we will welcome you with open arms. As of right now, Chris, your 2-minute level, that price action is still holding up, bro. It really is. Some longs just stepping in here. Okay, there we go. Price definitely looks like it wants lower. As far as this area of interest down here, this is a nice little area of interest. You could classify it as an order block right before the push up from yesterday's pump. After the Elon announcement that he is the largest shareholder in Twitter. For me, this 5-minute level down here is actually probably the juiciest level, although it resides just outside of that order block. It wouldn't be a surprise to me at all if we came and took all that liquidity and boom. No, I don't think you need to at all. This is just a little bit different than no, not at all, bro. That was a good level. Honestly, it was absolutely. But like I was saying, it wouldn't be uncommon to see it push through that OB, hit that level on the backside, and ultimately push up. Just kind of like what we seen yesterday when we went through that OB. This right here was actually right on a 5-minute, right on a 5-minute hold that resided just outside of that OB. So I wouldn't be surprised to see that happen down here before ultimately pushing up again. Oh, excuse me, again. But, and again, I'm not a fortune teller, man. These are just my thoughts. In my opinion, that's what would wreck a lot of people. And this price action right here just pisses me off. I don't know why. I don't like it at all. We got a nice 5-minute down here. 14,787. Doesn't look like we filled in all of that single print. That single print ends pretty much at the top of this order block. So single print is basically those imbalances that we talk about. Let's see, if we went to the 30, you would see it better. See the 30. See all these, basically this entire area, this entire zone right here, starting with Chris's level all the way down, was our single print block. We just touched the order block down here. So basically we just filled in all this imbalance here. The imbalance is created when there's a huge impulsive move in any direction and doesn't give enough time for any opposing orders to get in. So basically creates single prints, which AKA imbalances on the way up or on the way down. We might be creating some here. We could look here and find out. Let's go to TPO. Let's go here. And yeah, see these J's right here? These are all single prints. So we create a row of single prints on the way down. So basically that's market imbalances. At some point, we're gonna fill that in, just like we just filled in these here. And if you rewind back the pre-market analysis, we already talked about that this morning. See, these imbalances, you can see it here on this chart as well. There's a lot of imbalances here. So let's get back over to TradingView. Let's look to see what happens inside of this this OB here. Really, that wick should have been included to begin with, but I had it like this. As of right now, this 4-hour uptrend is still intact. We don't have a distribution hard close below this. And plus we still have another 2 hours and 40 minutes before this candle closes. So that means at a minimum, if we were to change this uptrend here on the 4-hour, we need to wait another additional 4 hours after this candle closes to see how it closes. If it's a distribution after this candle close, then we definitely have a change in trend on the 4-hour. Right on this OB here. Get rid of this level here. We can remove this level here. Move this level here. I need my boy Oxy to come in here and do his freestyle. $12.65 on the day with 2 trades. Pretty good if you ask me. With that, within the first 30 minutes, actually. I'll take $1,200 in 30 minutes any day of the week, man. So we definitely have a little bit going on here. ERB. Lost 600 yesterday, Rashid. Man, it's all good, bro. It's part of the game, right? You'll get it back 100%. Okay, we hit basically at the top of this OB. Going back to the 30-minute, really we should have included this wick. So we came and touched this OB here. Oh, no hope, bro. You'll definitely hit it, man. If you keep stick to your rules, man, and keep trading properly with proper risk management, for sure you'll get it back, bro. I'm gonna take buy right now. Yeah, it's looking prime for that, but right now to me it's risky, in my opinion. I want to see for me, in my opinion, I don't know what you're trading right now, Rashid, but in my opinion right now, I want to see a change in structure, man. I'd actually want to be honest, I actually want to see a push further down into this order block, man, and I want to see this number here happen. So come down, push down into this order block, come up, break structure like that, and then take a level somewhere like here. That'll be the most ideal situation for me. Or come back, make a high, come back in here, make a high, come down, take that 5 minute, then take one of those highs, or take these highs here, then come back down, take a level in here somewhere. Yeah. For me, those would be the best case scenarios, man. That's what I would want to see right now in order for me to feel comfortable taking along here. Unless we're doing some quick scalps, looking on the 1 minute time frame. That's kind of how I would approach it anyways. Don't listen to me. I'm a fucking degenerate. Okay. There we go. Like I said, like we just discussed, It's looking like price wants to push down deeper into this order block. Definitely want to wait for a confirmation here. Although in my opinion, there's a higher probability chance of a bounce here. I would definitely wait for that confirmation. All right, waiting. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is currently kind of following what NASDAQ is doing right now. While we're waiting for deeper inside this order block, let's take a look at some screeners here. It's scripts, ideas. Let's click on ideas here. Awesome, man. Let's go to the heat map here. S&P 500. So yeah, technology industry is now dropping. Retail. Health technology is still just doing awesome things, man. Electronic technology is kind of low today. As well as tech, finance. There is one thing I do want to look at. Let's look at Twitter. See what the Twitter stock is looking like today. Paper trading maintenance. Paper trading will be back really soon. That's fine. I don't know what the ticker symbol is. Let's look at it. Oh, there we go. What do I have this here? What was I comparing it to? I don't remember doing this. Oh, because I hit the fucking plus sign to compare it. I'm a retard. Let's go back over here. There we go. Guys, look at that gap up right there. It's a pretty big gap up. Oh, shit. Not a pretty big, a hella big gap up. 17.5%. Drop low. Yeah, just like every other stock, just been dropping since January, October, actually. NASDAQ the same thing. Yeah, well, NASDAQ was more like in December. Well, I guess I'll just wait it out. I'll probably end the stream here. I don't want to stay on stream for too long. We've been streaming now for an hour and a half. We already hit our daily mark. Price just hit the top of this OB and just kind of meandering right now. No point in just staying here and hanging out unless you guys want to hang out. Oh, nah, I don't want to have another crazy 4-hour stream. But if we push down into this order block, deeper into this order block here, I would probably just record it, kind of like I did yesterday if I take any trades. But other than that, we'll mark this day as a success. 1265 on the day, 2 out of 2 trades. Yeah, that's it, man. I do appreciate you guys a whole lot, man, for hanging out with me today. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Again, link is in the description if you want to join us on Discord. Yeah, that's it, man. So other than that, I'm out. And love you guys, man. Appreciate you coming through. As always, we will holler.